have all types of people that come to IBIS, from all parts of the organizations, but actually all types of real humans with real stories.
There's a common element that brings everybody here, and that is business objects. And so that's what the initial attraction is. But IBIS has evolved into a lot more than that. It has evolved into a tribe, into a community, which goes beyond just the product, the solution. People come here because they feel that they belong here. We really have become a family here, and it's a wonderful, wonderful experience.
There's a big difference between fitting in and belonging, and we don't want people to just try and figure out how to fit in. We want them to truly feel like they belong.
IBIS is a fun time. You'll learn a lot. There's a lot of super knowledgeable people. Everyone's really friendly. You can sit down and strike up a conversation with anybody. They're willing to help. I think it's a good time. So if you're into business objects or business intelligence, it's definitely the conference you should go to.
I really enjoy the conversations at IBIS this year when people are up on the stage explaining how they're using business objects to get their work done, or when SAP or even InfoSol is giving us information about great new ways to use the product.
It is amazing. You will learn a lot of things, a lot of experience you will get it, and you may know your strategy and roadmap and your decision in the future, what you are going to do with your tools.
So far, the favorite part has been of this IBIS, learning about the new product, the new feature, and especially Business Objects 2025 coming soon. And of course, the food is amazing.
We let people breathe. We let them sit under the stars. We let them feel the desert heat. We give them the best food ever. The mattresses and the pillows are beyond what you get at any other conference. And people notice. They notice that they've been nurtured. And that's really important to Paul and I.
Best IBIS ever. Best IBIS ever.
Best IBIS ever. Best IBIS ever.
Best IBIS ever. Best IBIS ever.
Best IBIS ever.
Best IBIS ever.
Yes, it was the best IBIS ever. Gosh, we've set the bar even higher. The quality of the content and the presentations this year was second to none. I'd never seen anything like it. It was just incredible.
It's been fantastic. It's just a wonderful gathering of people. There's a lot of trust and loyalty in this tribe, and it inspires me.